Hick! Oh no! I'm broken!
Aha! A classic case of hiccups. Hiccups happen when your diaphragm, a muscle below your lungs, suddenly spasms. When it spasms, you inhale quickly, but your vocal cords snap shut. That makes the hic sound.
What? There's a hiccup music machine in my belly!
Hiccups can happen if you eat too fast, drink fizzy water, or laugh too much.
So how do I stop hiccups? Hit my head. Stand on one foot.
No. Try one of these tricks instead. Drink water slowly. Hold your breath for a few seconds. Swallow a spoonful of sugar.
I'll try all three at once.
Hiccups are usually harmless, but if they last more than 2 days, go see a doctor.
Not only did I stop hiccuping, I learned a bunch of cool stuff.
See you in the next question on 10,000 WHY.